Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 2007 Ford F-150 Lariat model. Of course, you can see here it's a little different from your average F-150 you see on the roads. This one having a much better look than the newer style Ford, especially with its, I'd like to say, little white exteriors. Of course, she has a lower ride profile with the chrome style wheels, having a nice bed cover on the back. Of course, it's nice to have a 4-door around and a 2-door to fit more people in it. Moving on to the inside, as you can see, we have that little bit of a beige interior. Got the 5-seater here, automatic on the floor, adjustable steering. Of course, you have the adjustable pedal too on the side. Power windows, power steering, power brakes, all the fun little stuff you can get with the F-150 Lariat. Also having a nice sunroof if you ever want to have fun on a Friday night, stick your head up there, have some little fun. Of course, we can't say too much here because this is Skyway Classics and we like to keep it legit. Other than that, you have your old school radio with CD. Of course, you like to hear Stacy's mom playing on there every so often. Other than that, it has nice cold AC going underneath the hood, featuring a 5.4 liter motor. Runs pretty smooth. Of course, if I give it gas right now, not too much power coming from it, but of course it will get you from point A to point B. Will make you look very good. In fact, this truck is good for towing boats, especially if you want to head down to Siesta Key on the weekend. This is the truck to do it in. But other than that, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift, so just stay tuned with us to see the underneath.